I'm Ed, and I am installing a Camco roof vent cover on top of my Mallard M185, and I'm trying to show how easy this process is, and this should be rather interesting. So help keep the rain and elements out while we're keeping the vent open on top of the camper. So first part of this process is pretty easy because because of the type of vents that they actually using. They actually have these little pieces here on the edges, so I actually have to drill directly in because they have these little flanges here on the side, so I can just mount directly onto the edges here, which makes it pretty easy. So the first part is just go ahead and organize all the bolts and screws and everything. So just basically just need a screwdriver and a pair of pliers, and so basically just go ahead and get these little brackets on here, get the little screws with a washer, lock nut, and the nut on the back side. Go ahead and tighten that down, and then go ahead and get that all set up around the outside. And then the rest of this was just going to be done on the bottom end here, and then basically just bolts on. It's gonna be pretty easy. I'll go ahead and show once I get the brackets done. Okay, so once you get the brackets placed in, by the way, one of the easier ways of actually putting this in, basically if you use a pair of pliers like this to basically kind of grab the washer, kind of place it in, grab the lock nut, drop it in there, and then hold the actual nut and hold it in there in place, and then use the other hand with the screwdriver, and then just go ahead and just screw it down, hold it in place, and then screw everything down. So once you get all 4 brackets on there, go ahead and get the actual bolts on there. The next part of this is just go ahead and get the actual piece. Go ahead and get this guy moved over, and then we go ahead and start working on aligning our screws and figuring out how well this is going to be aligning up, making sure that the hatch is actually going to be able to open and close all the way, and figure out how our alignment's going to work before we start working on tightening everything down. So quick tip during the install, go ahead and remove the 2 top screws and pull the actual vent piece off, so that way the little grating off, so we can actually look in here and actually see how well does it actually line up, make sure everything is all centered and everything, make sure everything was looking good before actually working on getting the screws and everything, the bolts actually lined up before actually working on this. And then the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and have somebody go down below and we'll actually open and close this all the way and make sure everything is going to be working and moving everything fine before tightening down. Okay, that install is all complete, so now we don't have to worry about rain coming in. We can leave the vent open, so it also leaves more ventilation when the RV is going down the road, so that's going to work out much better. So thanks for joining me on the quick little install on the Camco, hang on, on the Camco roof vent cover. And so if you like some of the little videos I've done, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and trying to document a lot of the different various installs and improvements I'm doing. So a lot of the various things for the RV camping adventures we're doing. So thanks for watching.